Today we will learn about equation of line. So whenever we say equation of line, it's basically a straight line every time. So equation of line is generally given by y is equal to mx plus c, where m is known as the gradient, or it is also known as slope. C, on the other hand, is generally written as intercept, or it is also known as y-intercept. So if any linear equation of line is given and you need to find out how do you identify gradient and intercept from it, how will you do this? For example, we have y is equal to minus 3x plus 1. So if you compare this with y is equal to mx plus c, you can easily see that m is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 1. So that means the gradient of the line is equal to minus 3, whereas the intercept, or you can say y-intercept, is equal to 1. Let's take another example. Let's say this time I have y is equal to 4 by 5x minus 1. Again, you can compare this with y is equal to mx plus c. You can easily see that m is equal to 4 by 5. So you write gradient is equal to 4 by 5. And c, now if you have a closer look, in general equation we have a plus here, plus positive sign. But here it's a negative sign. So that means c will be a negative 1, because this can be written as 4 by 5x plus minus 1. So now if we compare this, the c is equal to minus 1. This is one way of identifying gradient and slope from a given equation of line. Let's take another example. Let's say this time my equation of line is 2y is equal to, let's say, 4x minus 6. Now, if I compare this with the equation of line y is equal to mx plus c, you can clearly see that there is no number or coefficient with y. But here we have a coefficient or a number with y. So that means for this equation of line, I need to get rid of this 2 first. So I'm rewriting my equation 2y is equal to 4x minus 6. Since there is no number with y, so I will divide 2 on both sides of the equality. So 2y divided by 2, 4x divided by 2 minus 6 divided by 2, which will lead to, this will be cancelled, simplify will give y is equal to 2x minus 3. Now, if I compare this with my equation of line, which is a triple equation of line, I can easily see that my gradient is 2 and my intercept is minus 3. So gradient is 2 and intercept is minus 3. So this is how we find out the gradient and the intercept from a given equation of line.